job will be today, Diggs?
Oh, I hope it's more than just clearing up scrap. I could do with some really serious digging.
Oh, no! It's the morning meeting.
Hurry up, Scooch. We're late.
Right. Wait for me.
Come along. Today, we're landscaping this area for a new park.
Oh, I love parks.
As you can see on the plans, it's divided into 3 projects. Lug and Carl, I need you two to handle the canal. It's a big job.
Please, Bozer. You are talking to a machine who has moved mountains.
We are ready for action.
Good. Maxine, Carrie,
What can we do for you, Bozer?
I need you two to lay in the steel mesh for the road here and then pour in the concrete.
Consider it done.
What about us?
Yes, are we doing that third blob?
Well, I don't know. That's the pond digging project.
Pond digging? We'd give our back bumpers to dig out a pond, wouldn't we, Scooch?
Oh, yes. Oh, that's quite a big job, isn't it?
It certainly is. And now it's your job.
Varoom!
Varoom.
Okay, everybody. I'll be talking to each team in turn to make sure you're all clear on the plans. Lug and Carl, you first.
Okay.
Come on, Scooch. Let's go.
Oh, go where?
To dig out the pond. Where else?
Now?
Yes. Look. Bozer's really busy, right?
Right.
And if we do the job now, he won't have to explain it to us, right?
Right.
So, we're saving him time, right?
Right. Oh, so by doing the job now, we're really helping him. Oh, Diggs, things always sound so good when you explain them.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Now, this looks like a really good place for a pond.
Are you sure we shouldn't just check with Bozer?
Oh, totally sure. He's got enough to worry about. The best thing we could do for him is start digging. Come on, Scooch. We've got work to do.
Okay. And jump. Oh. Diggs, don't you think it's a bit deep?
No, ponds are always deep. They have to be to get all the water in. But hey, this is a top hole.
Oh, yes, it's very nice hole as, holes go. But, how are you planning on getting out?
No probs there, Scooch, me old mate. I'll be out of here in the blink of a winker. Before you can say, Diggs the dazzling digger. In 2 shakes of a tailgate.
Right a bit, Carl. Oh, now left a bit. Right a little. Up. That's it. Now reel him in.
I never realized the blink of a winker took such a long time.
Thanks, Carl. Look, you won't mention this to Bozer, will you?
Our grills are sealed. But the next time, you might want to think about how you get out before you get in.
The standard method, of course, is the dirt ramp to one side. But I do have to say, credit where credit's due, that's one very good hole.
Oh, thanks.
That's, of course, if you dug it in the right place.
Of course we dug it in the right place.
Didn't we?
We dug the hole in the wrong place. Oh, if only we'd looked at the plan.
Hello there.
Bozer!
Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you.
Oh, you didn't.
No, we were just, thinking.
Yes, thinking about the pond. Think, pond, think, pond.
Well, that's good.
Bozer, I think this steel mesh need more leveling.
Oh, I'd better go and try and work out what Maxine needs. But I'll be back with you as soon as I can. Whew, what a day.
Is that soon or soon?
It's as soon as I can.
What are we going to do now?
Oh, putting the pond in the wrong place wasn't really helping Bozer much, was it?
No. But this time, we're going to put it in the right place, because this time, we're going to look at the plan. Come on, Scooch. You and I have got a pond to dig.
Not another one.
That's it. Pond number 2, well and truly finished.
And this time you can get out.
This ramp is really top gear. So much easier than being hauled out by a crane.
The older machines really know what they're talking about, don't they?
They certainly do. Whew. I haven't done this much scooping in my life. I think my hydraulics are getting bigger.
Well, you did say you felt like doing some serious digging today. Oh, look, here comes Bozer.
Oh, sorry to have kept you boys. Right, let's talk about how we're going to dig that pond.
No need to, Bozer.
What do you mean?
As you've been so busy, we thought it would be a big help if we went ahead and did the job. Surprise!
What? Oh, what a lovely surprise. And you've dug the hole in the right place. You've saved us a lot of time. Well done.
Don't mention it.
It was nothing.
And since you did this job so well, I have another one for you.
Really?
What's that?
Filling in the first hole you dug.
Oh, first hole.
Right away, Bozer. Come on, Scooch, let's get cracking.
Okay.
Bum, ba, bum.